In this lesson, I will explain to you access substrings. Now, what is the meaning of access substrings? We can get substrings from within a string using index slicing. This allows us to get more than an individual character, and I will show you this with the help of an example. Here I have written that index slicing is start and is stop. What is the meaning of this? I will show you with the help of example. String slicing returns a string section by addressing the start and stop indexes. So here I have written a name Rahila. Student underscore name is my variable which is initialized by Rahila. As we have discussed that we can retrieve individual characters. But here suppose if you want to retrieve a slice, this is called a section or a slice. Sometimes it happens that if we have a string, we can make different words with the help of the string. So here we have another word, heel. Suppose if we want to retrieve heel from this Rahila, so what you have to do, we have to write down a student underscore name and keep in mind that index always we have to write down in the square bracket. So start and stop. Start means it should start from index 2 and it should end to index 6. Here I have written a comment that I want to retrieve third, fourth, fifth and sixth characters. Individually these are characters. This is first character, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth, seven. So there are 7 characters, but we want to retrieve third, fourth, fifth and sixth. In terms of index, we have to start from 0, 0, 1, 2. Though H is the third character, but in terms of index, this is 2, 0, 1, 2. So that is why if we want to retrieve heel, we have to start from 2, right? And then 1, 2, 3, 4. It should end here. And this is 2, 3, 4 and 5 index. If we want to retrieve L, so we have to add A as well. 2 is to 6. Right here I have written the slice starts at index 2 and ends at index 5. So when I will run it, you will see heel with the quotation. So always keep in mind, suppose if you want to retrieve H-E-E, so this is 2, 3, 4. Never write down 4 here. If you want to retrieve these 3, you have to end by the next character. Here I have made another example for you. Student name is Ashwak. Right? As I have told you that from words we can make different words as well, just like Ashwak is the complete name, but if you want to retrieve Ash, yes, we can retrieve. Here I will make 2 only to show you what I'm going to show you here. If you want to retrieve Ash, first, second and third characters, these are characters, but in terms of index you have to start from 0. So 0, 1, 2. And here I have mentioned 0, 1, 2. It should start from 0 and to 2. This is called the slice or the section. But when I will run it, you will see only AS is there. We want ASH, first, second and third characters. So as I have told you that if you want these 3 characters, by in terms of index 0, 1, 2, you have to end by 3 by the next character. Then it will retrieve complete Ash for you. And here I have written some strings as well. I want to print and I am using the print function. That is why see the heel is in the inverted commas. Why? Because here I just run the variable. If you want to get rid of these quotations, you have to use the print function. Right? So here I have used some literals. So slice student underscore name 0 is to 3, which is equal to Ash. Now see same example. Here I have made a student named Tajinder And if I want to retrieve third, fourth, and fifth characters, so see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these three characters. If you want to retrieve in terms of index, you have to write down 0, 1, 2, start from 2, 2 is to 2, 3, 4, and 5. 2 is to 5. Then you will get this gin. But there is another way. This is the another way you can retrieve the same. The best is that you always try to write down this start and stop numbers. But if you want, you can do the same thing like this. Index 2, 3, 4 of the student name. This is my literal. I need this on my output. Student name 2. See, I need 2, 3, and 4. So I will show you here how you have to write down. And at the end, close the parenthesis. When I will run it, you will see same gin. Right, this is the another way how you will retrieve the slice, but best way is you have to use this symbol. Here I have made one more example for you. Long word underscore word is my variable and it is acknowledgement. So see, from acknowledgement we can make another word acknowledge. If I want to retrieve acknowledge, right, these characters, so 0, 1, 2, it should start from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But please do not write down 10, otherwise it will not add E. Just add one more character. It should start from 2 and it will end E at E. 2 is to 11. And here I have written two more print statement only to show you that you can write 3, 4, 5 according to your programming print statements. It's not necessary that you can write down only one statement. So in the second, here I have written some literals. Here again some literals. We have discussed all these symbols in our last course. So see here, I will show you very slowly because you have to practice it and it will help you in your programming. When I will run it, you will see there are three outputs. First is the knowledge, this word. Knowledge is the third character through the 11th char. So see this one. This is my literal. And this one is also my literal. That index 2, K through index 10, which is E. So here I have made some practice problem for you. I have written two long words, characteristics. So you have to practice by making act. So see, there is one word act. If you want, you can make it tick, ticks, and consequences. In consequences, I have written make the sequence, retrieve sequence, or you can retrieve sequences as well. So please practice it. I hope it is clear. See you in the next lesson and thank you.